What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys watch my braid and go video, then you guys have seen this makeup look and you guys were requesting that I show you guys how I got this style. So in between tutorials, of course I recorded for you guys because you guys requested more makeup tutorials. So we're just gonna jump straight into the makeup look. I really don't want to talk too much about the products, I guess, but I'll more so talk about what I am doing. So of course, if you guys want to know what products I'm using, I'll let you guys know. But the reason why I kind of want to just tell you guys what I am doing instead of what I am using is because I'm all for use what you got. So to start off, I always powder my brows because my eyebrows get greasy throughout the day. I go in with my black eyebrow pencil, and then I like to line my brows with a creamy concealer. I blend the concealer out and kind of like pull it down to my eyelids, and then proceed to blend it out with a beauty blender so there's no harsh lines. Now for me, I didn't show this in the video, but when I'm doing my makeup, after every step I always take a picture with the flash just to make sure everything is blended correctly. And if you do this method, your makeup is going to be beat every time. So next, I go in with another concealer a little bit darker than the one that I use on my eyebrows, and I blend that out on my eyelids so we can get started on the actual shadow look. This look wasn't inspired by anything except for a baby shower, and it was supposed to be pink, but it ended up purple. So the first palette that I'm using is the Juvia's Place Magic Mini palette, and I'm using the purple shades out of there. So I'm going to use a darker purple to kind of like line where I want my cut crease to be, and I did this for both lids. So after I got that dark purple shade on, I go with my Juvia's Place Zulu palette with a little bit of a lighter purple, and I put that on the edges of the darker purple to kind of like blend that out a little bit so it'll fan out and not look so harsh. And I learned using the darker shades first just helps to get a better cut crease, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm going in with the pinkish reddish shade, and I'm putting that on top of, or on the outside of, the lighter purple shade. So once all of that is done, I go in with my flat brush and I put a dab of my cream concealer on my eyelid, and I look up just to make sure that my crease is going to be in the correct spot and it's as high as I need it to be. Um, and I cut my crease, and then I fill it in with the rest of the concealer. So next I went in with my Coastal Scents 86 color palette, and I just went in with the white shade, and I was using a flat brush to put this white shade over top of the concealer for my cut crease, but it was just taking too long. So I've learned when you just kind of like swipe over the color with your finger and apply with your finger, it's way more pigmented and takes way less time. So I used this method because it was just taking forever for me. Now that my cut crease is all filled in, I'm going back in with the darker purple shade, and you'll see me kind of like adding it on the outer corners of the cut crease, and then going back and redefining, just the cut crease line. And I'm actually going to add just a weensy bit of black on the outer corner as well, just to give it like more depth. Then back in with the lighter purple shade, and I'm just blending everything together to give it just more of a like softer look so everything's not so sharp. So once I finished with that, I went in with a pink shade. I wanted to add my pink in there because, like I said in the beginning, this look was supposed to be pink for a baby shower, and then I just kind of went left with it. So I'm using this flat brush and kind of just like dabbing a little bit of the pink shadow on there, and then you'll see me go back in with the pink, or not the pink, with the blending brush I used earlier, and just blending out that pink a little bit more. Then going in with some black liner. I wanted like a little bit of a thicker liner than I normally would do. And I just blended that black liner with the outer corner, which is why I added some of the black on that outer corner so that I didn't have to do like any type of wing or anything like that. Everything would just blend together. And that's pretty much it for the eye look once I put on the lashes. But now just onto my regular face routine. Now for my face routine, pretty much in these videos when the highlight of the video is the eyeshadow, I probably won't go through the face process just because I went through this process in my everyday or go-to beat look. So if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. But I don't know, whatever you guys prefer. If you guys want me to go through the face routine, even though I've done it before, let me know. But like I said, if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you do, and stay tuned for the ending result. Now for my lips, for the most part, I do the same brown liner and then just some type of gloss in the middle. So that's basically it for this look once I put on the lashes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. You guys asked about it so much, so here we are. What it do, boo boo, period. But if you guys have any makeup looks that you guys want me to try and record for you guys, let me know. I'm trying to bring some new content, and y'all love my makeup look, so we here with it. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.